Alright, next video. Intruders, scary short horror film, Screamfest. By Screamfest. Oh man, this one's 9 minutes. Lock the fuck in, I guess. Oh. I like the 2-minute ones, they go by so much faster. Ooh. Looks like my kitchen after a week. Was that a ninja though? Those things are sick. That like flat frying thing. Oh. Breaking in. Oh. Oh no, little boy. Little boy. Oh, is she dead? Oh, that's so sad. No one found her. Wow. That's what are they doing? Ugh, I hate children. Hoodlums. I hate hoodlums. Children are alright. It's them teenagers, you know? Oh my god. It's when they get all shitty. This one's lengthy. It makes me want to skip around a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna skip around a little bit. I'm sure we'll be fine. We'll figure it out. Oh, it's like not animated. Hold up. What was that all about? Reaper. Oh no. I mean, logistically, it would be super hard to locate him and get to him. I mean, this is a different level, man. You're not just across the street. Or are you? Oh, fuck. Oh, no, never mind. Oh my god, I was wrong. Oh my god, I was wrong. I was wrong. Oh my god, dude. Do something. Oh, she's sprinting to you. No way. Okay, she's a genius, and she's an athlete. She's old, but she can do it. My god, that was fast. Oh, she's huge. That's terrifying. Oh, well, she definitely killed him, just like the other person. Oh no. Is he all big head too? It would happen that fast too. Inspector. Okay, now I'm lost, but alright. This is that same house from the beginning. Oh man, a super big human coming through. I can't get my mind up that. He lives there? Oh, he's investigating. I'm a dumbass. He's investigating. Okay. Okay, I've been zoned. I'm bored as fuck. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? I'm sorry. I need to skip. Nothing was fucking happening. I know I skipped something. Oh, there's a little boy. I mean, we knew he was there already. That was it? That was it? I'm a little annoyed with the end. You needed to just end it right before the inspector. I don't know what the hell we needed to have him come through for. Oh my god, that was a waste of time at the end. That pissed me off. My brain was just like locked out. Like nothing was going on. Like, what are we doing, bud? 9 minutes for what? Oh, anyway. All right, next video. Don't play with dolls.